Welcome back to the channel. I'm doing this quick video on the CNC stabilizer dampener that I bought off of eBay. It was only 50 bucks, surprisingly. All the other stabilizers I was looking for was $300, $400, $500, $600. Originally, I had the Scott's, but that got stolen. I didn't want to spend all that money for it. So I'm gonna do a review on this eBay CNC stabilizer. I'm also going to go over the installation issues I had and how I resolved them. All right, so the first issue I have, if you could see this bracket right here, that kind of clamps to the top of the fork. Look right here. Let me see if I can get it for you guys. Yeah, I'll get it. So this item right here, it comes to clamp onto the top of the shock, but it also comes to hold this on. And what I found was I had to cut a slit in here. If you guys see it, I use a Dremel and cut a slit because it wasn't clamping tight enough. And after I did that, it was able to clamp good. Next thing I had to do is I had to put, you see the washer here? I had to put a washer here and a washer under the bottom, a washer here and a washer under the bottom, because when you installed it, see how it moves a little bit? It moves about 2 or 3 times as much as this without those shocks. So I wanted it because if you see right here, if you don't do that, it will kind of drop on this bolt right here for the triple tree. So as you see right now, the clearance is pretty good, see? So it's pretty good. The other issue I had was, so this right here, it comes with one of these gold things. It's a little taller. I took it out and I installed it here because it needed the clearance to get over this, but I lost that piece. So I went to Home Depot and I bought these spacers right here. It fits right in. It's plastic, but I just needed something for the time being. I'm gonna go order that. That's maybe about 17 to 20 millimeter. The clear piece or the plastic piece you see. And then I found a bolt that was about this, and as you can see, it kind of holds it leveled. So I had some fabrication and some things I had to do to make it work. Now, this has 20 settings. I put it at 0, you don't feel anything, and I put it at 22, 23, whatever that setting is, and it was very difficult. So I have it set right in the middle, and it's easy to move. But then if I know I'm going to be going on a hard ride or doing some stuff I shouldn't be doing, then I will just tighten it up like another 5 or 6 notches. But the thing is beautiful. The other thing too is I did order it in black, but it came in like a gunmetal, not a silver color. It may look silver, but it actually looks more gunmetal. And it looks beautiful. I liked it better than I think I would like the black, but I did complain to them on eBay and they gave me some money back. Also, the other thing, the screw that comes for here is probably about 70 millimeters. But as you can see from the picture that I'm gonna put up, after you put it through here and then it has to go through the tank, it's not long enough. So even if you didn't use the extra piece here as I did, it still wouldn't be long enough. So what I did is I went to Home Depot and I bought this screw right here. It's a M8 for Allen key. M8 by 1.25, I think is a thread pattern, and it's 110 millimeter long. So, but this thing looks great. I love it. You know, I definitely wanted a stabilizer for the longest, but I didn't want to spend no $400 or $500. So at 50 bucks, I think it came from China. It took a little while, but it's well worth the money. I love it. When I say I love it, I mean I love it. So any questions, you can leave it. And thanks for watching. Bye. Well, let me give you guys a couple different views so you could see what it looks like. Actually see the clearances. So see, pretty good clearance. I mean, I'm not going to say this is the only way to do it. Maybe you want to put it at a different height, put it higher, put it lower, but it looks great. I love it. All right, thanks.